Hello, my name is Arvin Arnatbie. You can call me Arvin. I'm 26 years old and single. I graduated of Bachelor's of Science in Civil Engineering. I have 3 years of experience in construction site management. I've handled structures, residential to commercial buildings. My previous role is a project in charge. My responsibilities is estimate required materials on site, review the construction drawings, ensure the safety of workers, and cost estimate building and for budget for construction site. The software I use is AutoCAD, SketchUp, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and the other is Bluebeam, PlanSwift, and I'm taking seminar on that. And your company's values align with my skills, and I'm excited to contribute my skills to your company and trying a new responsibilities, opportunities, and career growth. Thank you.